Hello, YouTube, and welcome, knife enthusiast. Today, today we have another knife from Asher Knife Company. You can find him on Instagram or his website at asherknives.com. And today we have the Asher Spiro in G10 with a flipper. So I'm a huge fan of Asher knives. This one does not have thumb studs or nothing. I would kind of like to see a flipper with a fuller, because he has a new blade out that has a fuller on it. Right here. So I think one of these blades with a flipper would just increase the fidget factor of it. But huge fan of Asher knives. I mean, they're just action on them just feels a little bit better than the next guy. I don't know. I don't know where he has his parts made at. I'm pretty sure he has all his parts made, but he does assemble them himself. And he's based out of Pittsburgh, PA. And I can Spidey flick this. So that's a huge benefit. Kind of has a weak or light D10 on it. But if it wasn't for the light D10, I would not be able to Spidey flick it like that. You just barely have any of the blade to catch on to, but it just flings right out with the Spidey flick. And compared to his other knives, the lockup is a little late, but it's still perfect. I mean, it's a little bit later because right there it hits, where his other lockups seem, instant. Oh, I don't know. It's not really that late. I really like how they're assembled in Pittsburgh, PA, which is only like 1 hour from me, which is really cool. There's another cool blade designer on Instagram. He's from Erie, PA. I forget his name right now on Instagram, but his customs go for like $850. Asher's you can get, if you go to the Asher website and get them when he releases them, they're between 85 to 115, which for the quality and the action, you cannot freaking beat it. They're all in S35VN, which is an American steel. Absolutely fall shut though. No shake required. They're really thin in design. Got really deeply nested liners there. Liner lock feels different on this one compared to the other ones because of how it's a nested liner. He actually has like a raised tab this time. course, you get a deep carry pocket clip. Real thin blade stock. Really lightweight knife. Guess we can weigh it. Find out what the ounces are. 3.1 ounces. So, I mean, 1.8 ounces is a Benchmade bug out, which is like absolutely nothing. Feels like a little kid's toy in your hand. And 4 ounces is, well, probably an average everyday carry. So this is a little bit lighter than an average everyday carry, I would say. Guess we could do some size comparisons. Against Ontario Rat 1. You see he's quite a bit larger. Got the Ontario Rat 2. It's actually a little bit bigger than the Ontario Rat 2. Then we got my favorite EDC knife, the QSP Penguin. Just love the shape and design of it. And they're pretty close in the same ballpark. The Asher's a little bit larger. Not much, though. Just going to come in with the, see here, blade length of about 3 inches long. Overall, a little over 7. I got this earlier today, and it's been in my pocket all day long. So, it rode along with me to Chick-fil-A earlier. Let's compare it to the giveaway knife. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure and hit that subscribe button. At 100 subscribers, I'll be giving away the Sativian ST131 with a mirrored edge that I did put on here for the winner. And it's a little larger. Of course, you get a micarta handle with this. This is a really good, awesome knife. I decided to give this one away after doing a review on the 131 and the 132. I actually slightly prefer the 131 over the 132. But awesome Sativian knives. Of course, if you rather have the 132 and you win the giveaway, you can request it. But really, really love these Asher knives. Get a back spacer. Just the fit and finish and the action on these. For some reason, just feel a step above any other knife company I've dealt with. Let me know down in the comments what you think of Asher knives. If you have any experience with them. He doesn't offer them for sale very often. When he does, they sell out pretty quick. You can go to eBay for them. That's where I bought most of mine at, is eBay. I've been watching eBay for months, though, and they don't come available on eBay very often. But just recently, within the past week, several people have listed them, And one person, he listed like 5 or 6. I think they all ended tonight at auction. I did not pick any of them up. I think this makes number 5 for me. So I did end up picking up 6 and 7 though. They will be on the way. I'll definitely do a video on them when they get here. But there's still a Axis lock one that he came out with that I would love to get my hands on. I have not seen one of them come available yet. So, awesome, awesome freaking action. Just so fall shut. So easy to do the Spidey flick. I guess if you're still watching, we can see how sharp this is. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Oh yeah, and she's sharp too. Now the other Asher I had that was dull in my last Asher video, I ran it on a strop probably 20 times per side, and it came right back to slicing paper. I still think I'm going to sharpen it, throw a mirrored edge on it though, just because I don't think I have put a mirrored edge on a S35VN yet. So I think I want to give it a try. But anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure and hit the subscribe button. Always leave comments. Love reading everybody's feedback. Love the support I get. Love hearing what you guys have to say. So as always, have an awesome day.